Someone has been really stupid. I reckon someone's in a whole world of pain right now. This is stupidity at its best. I was just driving down the highway here and I noticed it. I thought, geez, I'm going to have to pull over and take some video footage of this, because there was a whole heap of people standing around and I thought, gee, someone's injured.
Wow, man, that's a big hit.
Yeah, I'll say.
It's crazy though. Leave it there, mate.
Mate, I'd say someone's stolen this, and I reckon they've given it a boot full from up there, and they've come down and they've hit this pillar here.
And over she went.
And over she went. Because you can actually see on the pillar where it hit, and where all the leftover pieces of the car started, which is here. And they've lost control, and this is the end result.
Jesus Christ.
If you look inside, you can actually see that this guy's would have had to have hurt his head.
Yeah, definitely. Jack, get out! Get out! Just don't touch nothing.
Looks like a few traces of blood there. So I dare say he's crawled out and probably taken his ass to hospital. But boy, what a bunch of noise this thing would have made.